right, dividing whole numbers by decimals. Okay, there's a little bit of a trick here that we need to know. Anytime we're dividing a number by a decimal, we're going to need to change that decimal. We're going to need to move the decimal point around to make it so it's no longer a decimal. Okay, so we have in this case 0.06. We need to move this decimal place over 2 places in order to make it no longer a decimal. And since we've done that with the divisor, we need to do it with the dividend as well, okay? So there's a decimal point here. We need to move this over 2 places as well, okay? And that's what it's going to look like. Okay, so to rewrite this, it's actually going to be, I'm going to write it over here, 6, okay? Well, actually, I'm going to make it a little bit smaller. 6, and that goes into 297,000,297,000. Okay, now we're going to do our normal division. Okay, and remember, the decimal place is at the very end here. So normal division. 6 does not go into 2. Okay, so 6 goes into 29. 6 goes, 6 times 4 is 24. So let's try that. And then I'm left with 5, 7, 0, 0, 0. Okay, 6 does not go into 5, but 6 goes into, let's say, 6 times 9 is 54. So let's try that. Okay, so I'm left with 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 6 does not go into 3, but 6 goes into 30 5 times, and then I'm left with 0, 0. I'm left with 2 zeros at the very end. Okay, and now all I do is I move that decimal point, I move it right above, so my decimal point is going to be right there. My final answer is going to be 495, 49,500.